Fiscalization essentials. Austria. Austria, officially the Republic of Austria, is a country in Central Europe comprising of 9 federated states. Its capital, largest city and one of 9 states is Vienna. As part of the group of European fiscal countries, Austria introduced fiscalization back in 2012 to prevent and fight tax fraud and grey economy. In Austria, fiscalization system is based on the mandatory usage of a security device for signing transactions. There are no obligatory hardware devices that must be used, there is no certification process for point-of-sale applications, neither online communication with the tax authorities. The only defined prerequisite is that point-of-sale application must be able to support the signature device usage, creation and maintenance of electronic fiscal journal, as well as printing of QR codes, barcodes, or OCR codes on the receipt. Need to get or to remain compliant? Get in touch.